Welcome! He has watched TV all day. She hasn't relaxed yet. They have read many books.
As you can see, today we will focus on the present perfect. Let's begin. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start.
Pay attention to the following situations. Leah and John have been married for many years. They have had a lot of good memories.
The students have studied for many hours. They haven't slept for a while.
Mark and Sophie have taken many pictures of the landscape. They haven't rested for hours. As you can see, the present perfect is used to emphasize the result of the action, not the time of when it happened. For example, they have had a lot of good memories. They haven't slept in a while. Sophie has taken a lot of pictures.
The present perfect is also used to emphasize on actions performed in periods that are not finished yet. For example, they have been married for many years. They have studied for hours. They haven't rested.
Now practice using the present perfect to focus on the results of actions and not the time. Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!